Hello guys, hope you're well. So today we're going to be visiting a city here in China called Wuxi. It's much bigger than the city I'm in now. We're actually going to be visiting an Ikea. I'm really curious to see if the Ikeas back home are like the ones here. So yeah, that should be interesting. And we're going to be just shopping in general here. So let's go. Taxi has arrived. Yes. Hello.
Hi.
Oh. We're just going for something to eat first. I'm absolutely starving. Looks very nice. We're going for a curry in this place. It's called Ganesh. We've been here before, like really nice, really nice. Where are we going to be sitting? Yes. Looks really cool in here. The starters have arrived. They look very, very nice. Look at that. Samosas and some potatoes. The main meal has arrived. I can't wait to dig into that. Look at that! Let's taste this. Oh, it's very crunchy.
Just disintegrated in your hand.
What's that at the bottom? Let's give it a taste test. Gorgeous! It looks like a war zone, but I promise it was really, really nice. Like, did you enjoy your food? Spot on. I was just heading to the toilets until I seen this sight. Look at this! Looks so cool! Wow! Look at these little boats. I wish I could go on one right now, but we're busy. We need to go shopping. I'm in the toilet and apparently these are the toilet rules. So I'm just gonna have a look which one is me like. I'd probably say I'm more of this one, a bit flexible. I'm not flexible at all actually. Well, that was really nice. Now we're heading to the shopping centre, have a look at a few shops and then go to Ikea. Getting in a taxi, another taxi. All right. Hello. We're nearly there, not too far. There's Ikea there. We're nearly there. And we're here. Right. Oh, thank God. It's absolutely huge, this place. It just goes all the way around. And then around there as well. Mental. This place looks really cool at night actually, with all the lights and everything. And there's the entrance. We're going to head to a few shops now, and then at the end we're going to Ikea. Can't wait. Woo-hoo. And we're at the shopping centre. Let's go! Honestly, this place is so huge. I think there's like 4 floors and just every kind of shop you can think of, really. You can never get bored here, I tell you that. Wow, look at this. A Garfield shop. Who remembers Garfield? An absolute classic. Oh, you're joking me. You are joking me. An outfit for a dog. Garfield outfit. So cool. I wish I had the dog now. Let's have a look. Oh, basketball t-shirts. This is actually really cool. Wow, a little bag of Garfield. Are you chilling there, mate? Don't blame you. It's been a tough 2 years, hasn't it? Cheeky! Now this is something I can rock. I really can. Love these hats. It's got 2 little ears. I might look like a bit of a clown wearing it, like, but proof's in the pudding. Oh, but then we've got this one. Oh, now we've got a hard choice. We've got a hard choice. I think, you know what it is? I think I like this one better. So which one? This one with the ears. Very cool, very nice. Or this one. You know what it is? I'm going to get all the ladies with this. Yes, I am. Who am I kidding? I've been single for 2 years. Let's have a look in here. Let's see what they've got. Ladies! Yes! I need a girlfriend, to be honest. I really do. Oh, a dog and his mother, father. Not really sure. Right, I've got this coffee, but it's not really big, is it? Have a look at this. Have a look at this. Imagine drinking out of this. This is an absolute boyo, this. This is amazing. I'll be absolutely buzzing off my tree if I drank a coffee this size. I really would be. I think this is a monster handbag shop. Very unique. Wow, look at these. I've never seen anything like this before in my life. I mean, I'm not sure if I'd buy one like. Oh, look at this one. This one's really cool. Wow. It's pretty heavy, you know. Really heavy, actually, for a handbag. I think it's a handbag. Or are you sure? That one's got feet. Look at those feet. I've got a feet fetish, mate. We've got some more over here. All kind of colours and shapes and sizes. My feet fetish is kicking in, to be honest with you. This shop's not good for me. Oh, look at those feet. Yes, be there. Oh, piano one. Got some more here. Very cool. Right, where should we go to next? Well, we're going to end up at Ikea, but a couple more stops first. Let's have a look up here. If there's anything interesting. Have a look at this restaurant. Oh God, he's been sick. Oh God. Looks really cool, like. I think it's Japanese style, isn't it? Oh, that looks so good. Oh, that does too. Let's have a look inside. Can we see inside? Maybe next time, maybe next time. That's put me right off. I hope it's okay, to be honest. What have we got here? Oh, I think these are like dumplings and stuff. Oh, hello. Right, let's have a look at here. Looks very fancy, very nice. Looks very posh, actually. Hello, hello. Look at these croissants. I like a good croissant, I'll tell you that for nothing. Oh, strawberry croissants. Very nice. Right, I'm officially in heaven. Right, I'm officially in heaven. Are these like glazed fruit, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, look at these. Hello. Right, this is no good for my teeth, this. I need to get away, I need to get away, I need to get away. I'll spend weeks at the dentist if I have some of them. Look at this place. You must have to be a king to come here and eat. Look at this. This must be the king or queen's table. Whoa, I'm king of the castle, king of the castle. Who's he? He must be the soldier, the protector of the king or queen. Love it. Thank you for your service, my friend. One day I'll sit on there. One day. Pop Mart. Let's have a look. Who are these? I need these socks. I need these socks. Cool little skateboards. Let's have a look around. Some figures. Oh, look what I've just noticed actually. Harry Potter land! Look at this. This section is the one. This is the one. If you like Harry Potter, you're in heaven here. Some Lego. No, Lego Harry Potter, yeah. Let's have a look. These teddies are actually pretty cool. Especially Harry. You're a wizard, Harry. We've got Iron Man, Spider-Man, and Iron Man. I think it's Iron Man. Who's it? Some more figures. Look at the steel of that. Some more Harry Potter figures. And some... Are these Disney figures? Yeah, I think they're all Disney. Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse. More Harry Potter figures. Oh, they love Harry in here. They love Harry in here, I tell ya. Getting the subway before I head to Ikea. Oh, I'm so hungry, man. Been walking literally all day. This will do me the world of good. The world of good. Watermelon drink with my food. Very nice. Actually, I've never had a watermelon before. Well, the drink anyway. Could be very interesting. Any other funky ones? Oh, raspberry Pepsi. That's pretty cool. There it is. There it is. Finally here. Let's go. To be honest, I need a new sofa. Like, mine's getting pretty old at the moment. They're all chilling. Everyone's chilling in here. Right. Let's have a look. Anything cool? What are you humping, mate? I found a new mate. Yeah, I like me sofas on the ceiling. It's just how I roll, really. It's the best way to watch the telly, really, do you know what I mean? Yeah, and I like ceiling beds. I just like how I can just slide down during the night and just bang me head on the floor. I mean, I like high chairs, but not this high. I mean, I might struggle to get down, like. Then again, they call me Arif the Rabbit. Right, I want to get married now. Look at this room. Look at this bathtub. Just imagine you and the love of your life just chilling here while watching TV. Or one of yous are in there, other ones watching you beautifully, washing yourself and washing your bits and stuff. Yeah. Look, it's a nice bedroom, right? Someone please marry me so I can buy that room. Please marry me, please. I'll pay you money. We've reached the jungle section. Let's see if there's any cool little items here. Oh, dinosaurs. Some cool, quirky dinosaurs here. Oh, look at this. This is my favourite dinosaur of all time. I only like it because it looks like a giraffe. I like giraffes. Oh, so many. We've got some more cool animals here. Who's this guy? Who's he? Who's he? King of the jungle here. Right, Simba, mate. You made it, Simba. To Ikea. Yes. Finally made it, my friend. Very cool, very cool. This is what I call the essential section, but also the boring section. Just hangers. Oh, bros. Oh, don't look, don't look, don't look. Baskets. Oh, God. Boring. Oh, my God. So bored. Oh, these are funky. Small chairs. Different kinds. It's pretty cool. What the hell is that? Dog's horse. Show us your keyring, Keisha. An Ikea keyring bag. I don't know about that one, like. The light section. Any cool lights over here? Oh, an owl light. We've got some light bulb lights. Some old style lights. Oh, this one's pretty cool. I like this one. A lot of choice, a lot of choice. I'm not really good with choosing a good one. I usually always buy the worst one. I've got horrible style, to be honest with you. I must admit. If you like winter, we've got some snowflake ones. Got some ones that look like baskets. There is actually some cool ones here, actually. It's not my sort of thing, but I can appreciate it. Oh, look at these. These are good, these are good, these are good. Have a look at these. These are like the ones you see on TV shows. Do you know what I mean? Now, this is something I can dabble with. What are they doing? Let's see if we can get a good shot. Some nice sets for the summer. Summer is here. Oh, barbecue set. Oh, I need one of the. I don't have a garden, actually. I need to buy a house with a garden. That's what I need. That's what I need. Ah, this is pretty cool as well. This is pretty chilled, isn't it? This is very chilled. If you ask me. Oh, look at this. A hammock. A hammock. Yes. My life is sorted now. My summer is sorted. Food section. We'll get some hot dogs. I love me some hot dogs. And we'll get some... Oh, meatballs, meatballs! Yes! Swedish meatballs. Don't mind if I do. What have we got in here? Let's have a look. Right. Is that an actual orange? It is! Well, it's orange skin with some ice cream inside. That's actually orange skin. That's mad. Right. We've got, oh, coconut ice cream. I bet you this is pretty refreshing. Is that a real coconut shell? I think it is. Very nice, very nice. Right, what else have we got? What else have we got? Oh my god. Is this locked? It's bloody locked. Why would they lock it? No, it's just I'm weak. Embarrassing. Anyway, we've got some strawberry ice cream. Oh, tiramisu. Just have a look at the ice cream. Tiramisu. Yeah, they've got all sorts here. £1.50 for the, well, for one each. Got mango, French vanilla. Look at this, you all sorts here. Yeah, I think you get a spoon on the front, I think. Thank you very much. Is that okay? Okay, thank you. It's not much different to all the other Ikeas, to be honest. Not that I'm an Ikea expert or anything. I've only been to two, I think, back in the UK. But yeah, they look very similar. And now just wait for a taxi home and then bed, because I need it. Well, it's been a lovely day. Thoroughly enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I'll try and post more similar to this, looking at shops and food videos and stuff. Anyway, have a good day. I'll see you later.